Good afternoon. My name is Glenn Hayward. I'm the owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe at Price Road and Broadway. We're here today demonstrating a product that we just discovered recently, and it's called FAQ, Fresh Air Quickly. Fresh Air Quickly is an atomized product that we spray into the ventilation system of your vehicle. We spray it throughout the entire interior, and what it does is it kills microbiotic materials like Covid-19, SARS, CoV-2, which is the virus that causes Covid-19. The service takes about 20 or 30 minutes to perform, and as you'll see Mike going through the vehicle, we're spraying it not only in the ventilation system from outside as it comes in and cleans out all the vents and all the microbiotic material in there and kills it immediately on contact, and it kills 99.99% of germs, mildew, mold, and bacteria. Once we finish doing the ventilation system, we spray it on all the carpets, all of the upholstery, the headliner, the steering wheel cover, the dash mat. Everything in the vehicle gets completely coated with this material. It has a fresh smell, kind of like a linen type of smell, and that smell will endure for several days after the process is done. And it even kills cigarette smoke. We've tried it in a couple smokers' vehicles and it completely eliminated the smell of smoke. Every square inch of this vehicle will be covered inside in the ventilation system so that you can rest assured that your car is completely germ and microbiotic free.